How to barbell hip thrust in 2 minutes or less. This is Blake with Kaizen Training and Nutrition.com, and in this video we're going to be breaking down the barbell hip thrust. This is a phenomenal movement to develop your posterior chain and hip strength. Whether you're an athlete or a bikini competitor, it does not matter. Your glutes are really important, and probably one of the most underlooked elements of athleticism is hip extension, being able to really extend through your gluteal muscles. You see a lot of guys that are really quadricep dominant and have a ton of explosive strength. If they could tap into their posterior chain, that would really take their athletics or their performance in the weight room to the next level, as well as preventing a lot of injury. And so despite the stigmas or stereotypes, this is a really good movement for everyone, regardless of your training goals. I'm going to demonstrate what hip extension looks like here. What I want you to do is position your shoulder blades on a bench or support surface, and then we are moving from our hip joint to raise towards the sky. What I don't want you to do is feel this in your lower back a lot. That basically means you're extending through your lower back and dragging your butt along for the ride. What I want you to do is extend in a way that you really feel like you can squeeze your glutes and properly perform hip extension. For most people, you're going to want to get a pad or something to kind of support your pelvic bone here. As you load this heavier, it's going to create some discomfort on your pubic symphysis, but you want it to center on your hips. You're going to walk out so your shoulder blades are touching the bench. You're going to lift towards the sky and squeeze your butt. Come back down, lift towards the sky and squeeze your butt. What I don't want you to do is let your knees collapse together or turn it into a ton of body English per se. What I want is good controlled motion where you really feel like you can engage your gluteals properly. If you're interested in more in terms of training, nutrition, or coaching, check out the link below for Kaizen Training and Nutrition.com.